Are you looking for a beautifully upgraded and well-maintained bungalow in Ottawa's West End? Hi, I'm Jeff McGowan, and I'd like to welcome you to 10 Roche Place. This lovely 3-bedroom offers a finished basement, in-ground pool, is just steps from the Department of National Defence headquarters at Carling, and 5 minutes from the Ottawa River and all that entails. Come on in and have a look. I hope you enjoyed your visit to 10 Roche Place. If you like what you see and you'd like to get further information or perhaps to book a private showing, please contact me. Thanks again for taking the time to visit. I look forward to hearing from you soon.